Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Google Meet and join as the meeting organizer or a participant with recording rights. Select the camera and microphone you want and choose a quiet room. Once done, check your video preview and pick the correct screen resolution or external webcam. This ensures clear visuals. Make sure system audio is routed properly if you plan to capture computer sound. You'll also want to close unneeded tabs and notifications to avoid interruptions during the recording. Now configure what you'll record. Click More Options and choose Record Meeting. If you need slides, pick Present Now and select your entire screen or a specific window. This captures visuals reliably. Decide whether to include system audio and verify it in the Meet preview. This matters when playing videos. Inform participants that recording is starting so everyone consents. Once recording begins, keep an eye on the red recording indicator and pause only if you must edit out a segment later. To finish, stop the recording explicitly for more options than leave the meeting. Closing the tab without stopping can delay processing. The file saves to the organizer's Google Drive in a Meet Recordings folder and an email link is sent. If processing is slow, wait. Larger files take longer. If the recording fails to upload, check available drive storage, ensure a stable network, and re-download from the local cache if available. As a last resort, re-record the critical segments after resolving permissions or storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.